how to add size chart in Shopify. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Shopify website right here. And then once you're now here, what we want to do is to click the products, which is right here on the left screen. And then on the products, just choose the product that you want to edit. So let's say, for example, that you want to edit this one right here. So all you have to do is to click that one. Once you click that, by the way, there is an ongoing deal right here on Shopify, which you only need to pay $1 per month for 3 months. So if you want to grab that deal, all you have to do is to click the link down below or the link that is in the pinned comment. So just click it so that you will be able to get these deals. Now going back right here, so to add a size chart on the description, all you have to do is to click the 3 dots and then click this insert table. So click insert table and then click it again and then click add column before and then do the same again. And once you're now here, what we're going to do is to manually add the size chart of our product. So all you have to do is to do it again. So let's add a row below right here. So let's say, for example, that this size chart is large and this one is medium. So what we want to do on the large part is to put, of course, the size. So let's say, for example, this one is 34 to 35. And then for the medium, we have 32 to 33. Now, of course, you can add whatever you want right here. So if you want to add more design, of course, it will take more time to edit it. But that is how to basically add a size chart in your Shopify store. So once again, that is how to add size chart in Shopify.